to join in. Happy Dasara to all. Happy Dasara, Smita. Happy Dasara. Happy Dasara to all. Yeah, ma'am. Hello. How are you? Good evening.
Hey, hi Sujit. I'm good. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Happy Dasara to you too, ma'am. Happy Dasara.
Very, very happy to Sarah to you too, and everybody who's joined us.
Okay. So before I start, I would like to invite Tanya ma'am. Actually, few things that social media helps you is to connect to amazing people, and Tanya ma'am is one among them. I have never met Tanya ma'am. I have never spoken to Tanya ma'am, but it is all through social media that we have connected, and especially in this COVID time. And she is one of an amazing person. If you follow her profile, you will see the kind of fitness that she has. It is actually goals for a lot of females out there to have such a fitness. She manages her house, her fitness, her work, and she's an amazing blogger as well. So welcome Tanya ma'am again to this Insta Live. I'm so happy to have you finally, and especially on Dasara Day, because like 9 days for the last 9 days we are some in India we worship the goddess, and to have someone, a lady on this live is a great thing. So once again, welcome ma'am, welcome.
Thanks, Sujit. Thank you for all the nice, kind, heavy words you used for me, but thank you so much.
By the way, ma'am, where are you from exactly? You're from Chandigarh? Yeah, you're basically from Chandigarh, right?
I could do a separate Insta live on where I'm from, but but yes, I am from Chandigarh. I live in Gurgaon. That's where my house is. But my parents are in Chandigarh, so I came down for COVID period, lockdown period, to be here because it's just so much nicer and greener and open here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you have spent your entire lockdown here. In fact, there the lockdown was open very soon, actually.
Yeah, I was supposed to go back to Gurgaon, and everything was going against the idea of going back. And I did go back for a couple of days, for 2, 3 days to get my house clean, but I'm back again. My kids are very happy here, so I'm also very happy here.
Nice, nice. So basically the live for all the viewers out there, today's live is on a special topic on women fitness, women running, basically, because a lot of women out there have a lot of issues, and they have asked me on my personal key issue, but I am not someone who can guide you. I know, but I will not be the right person to tell you. So that is why I thought, why not have someone who is thoroughly into fitness, who is a female, who can guide you, and all your doubts should be cleared there itself. So that is why I requested Tanya ma'am, and she was kind enough to accept the invitation to join, although she is very busy, and still she could manage to take out time. So thank you very much, ma'am, once again for that.
Okay.
So let's start, ma'am. The main question that women have when they start with fitness or running is during their cycles. How should people, or how should women manage their periods, their menstruation cycle and fitness or their running? So please guide them on that, because I've got a lot of questions on these part.
So, the first thing that, I always want to say about periods and fitness and periods and running is that, first of all, there's nothing heroic about running during periods or doing your workouts during periods. There is nothing heroic about it. It's actually for yourself, right? We get cramps before periods, right? The best and the natural way to kill that pain is to do some physical activity, because as you do physical activity, endorphins release, and that is supposed to be a natural painkiller. That's the first thing. Now, how to manage that? I've realized through my journey that just before periods happen to us, our body is a bit inefficient. The estrogen levels are really high. Our body is quite inefficient. It is slow because there's a spike in the hormones. We are not sweating enough, so the body temperature is rising a lot, which basically also means that we need to drink a lot of water. Stop the coffee, reduce the tea, but drink a lot of water. That is the first thing. And iron rich foods, because that's where our body will distribute iron to our muscles. We need iron rich foods. We need a lot of water. We do not need caffeine at all, because that just dries out the system even more, because we are not even sweating enough. So that is the first thing. So take your supplements. If you take your calcium, don't stop taking your calcium. Take your magnesium, take your zinc. If you're, I'm not a very firm believer in supplements, because I think all your nutrients should come from your food. But that period, those 7 days before your menstruation, definitely go for supplements if you think you are not able to supplement that through your food. So ideally, everything should come from our food, and we should really have the least dependence on supplements. But if you're active during your periods and you want to stay active and fit, then just take all the basic supplements that you need to, so I think that's, and also I think, even though, there are women like Paula Radcliffe who smashed the world record, the one in Chicago in 2002. She broke the world record on her periods. She had cramps during the last third part of her periods, right? Uta Pipik, she pretty much she was first in the Boston Marathon in 1996, and she was bleeding down her pants. So yes, there are some fantastic examples that tell us that, you can do so well even during your periods. But I think for people like us who are not athletes, who are lifestyle athletes, for people like us, I feel that we should be able to tweak our training plan, our running plan. If you are feeling lousy on those particular days, then maybe you can save that long run or that hard run for a day later, and still go and do your workouts, right? Do maybe shorter run, low impact intensity workouts. So it's about listening to your body, like how you feel. Like I said, it's something we do for ourselves, like खुद के लिए कर रहे हैं, right? So मरने मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. Listen to the body. And also, if you are someone who has been training throughout their periods, then you know exactly what to do. But if you don't, then listen to your body, but give it the workout it definitely needs. You need to work out during your periods, otherwise you just feel very slothy. But like I said, again, listen to your body. It will tell you what to do when it's ready enough to go do that short workout, those 10-15 minute workout. Also, you will know, right? But correct. Listen to the body. But yes, listen to the body. Yeah.
So basically, there is no harm in doing, because I get a lot of females who say ki period says that I cannot work out. So
no, not at all. No.
Yeah.
No, absolutely not. I'm telling you, you actually, if you read online, some of the personal bests have come during periods, because the body is now free. The body is now correct. In the flow, right? The body is free, right? There is absolutely no reason to not work out. Like I said, you should work out, but if you are feeling lousy, slow, then just tweak it up, and if you're just started running, then maybe you can just do a short workout at home. You can do yoga, you can do your you can do your little bit of weight training, right? But give your body some work, little bit of work. And if it's just not letting you do it, then you know what you have to do. Then you just sit back and have a nice chai, have a rusk, dunk the rusk in the chai and enjoy. Ek din mein kuch nahi hoga. Nothing will be lost in one day,
In Mumbai, we call it as khari chai.
Khari chai. Okay. What is that?
Khari is same like the rusk thing. So here
okay.
we call it as khari. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay.
So ma'am, how did you come into running? Was it like बचपन से आप athlete थे या कैसे हुआ ये सब?
I was active as a child in school and everything. I was active, very active. Nothing like that. But running happened to me after my second child. After about 8 months, I wanted to go for a trek to Nepal with a friend of mine, and she was very fit. I had just had a baby, and I really wanted to take a break. I wanted to get out, and she found a really tough trek for me. She said, let's do this because your pre-pregnancy fitness was great, and I'm sure you can come back to post-pregnancy. You can come back to shape. And she said, you know what? I've heard that the best way to gain instant stamina is by running. And I did not like the sound of it at all. मुझे सुनकर ऐसा लग रहा था, नहीं यार, कौन भागेगा? I mean, let's just do something. Let's just do yoga, हो जाएगा. She said, नहीं यार, let's try something new. And that's when I went for a run with a training group, which was training right in my condominium. And we went and I did a 4K run, and I came back and said, never again. कभी life में मैं फिर से नहीं भागने वाली हूँ. कभी भी नहीं. And the next weekend, I went for a 5K. And then I went for another 5K, and then I went for the trek. And the trek was about 10 days long, and it was a very strenuous trek. When I came back from the trek, I was feeling so strong. I mean, मेरी legs में जान आ गई थी वापस, And उसके बाद, I went for a 12-kilometer run. One weekend, I went for a 16-kilometer run. And then by the end of it, I went and did a half marathon. So that's how I got initiated into it. And then, from there on, rest is history, Uske baad,
and then there is no looking back.
No. And for the first 3 to 4 years of my running, I used to think, मैं एक दिन सुबह उठूंगी and I will say, nah, no more. हो गया. I had that fear inside me कि एक दिन ऐसा आने वाला है जिसे मैं सुबह उठ के बोलूंगी, I'm not going to go run. It hasn't come. अभी तक नहीं आया, and I'm so glad.
Nice. How do you manage, ma'am, ये सब घर, काम, running, fitness? Because it is not only running that you do a lot of fitness activities as well, and you're socially also very active. So how do you manage all these things? Because females को especially ये एक problem होता है कि घर और ये सब घर एक तो घर. Because what I have seen many women around me, पूरा life उन्होंने दूसरों के लिए दिया, खुद के लिए नहीं देते. So I want to specifically give message to all the women here on why taking care of yourself is very important.
I think, the question that is coming to my mind is, why is not taking care of yourself why is taking care of yourself even a question? I mean, to be honest, right? But I understand that every woman has a different kind of household and circumstances and support. And I think support and stubbornness, support होना और जिद्दी होना, ये दोनों बहुत important है, बहुत important है. आपके पास अगर support होगा तो आप क्या नहीं कर सकते हो, right? Because आपको पता है somebody has your back, somebody literally has your back, right? आप अगर बच्चा छोटा है तो सुबह अगर आपको पता है your husband or your help, somebody is there, then आप क्यों नहीं उठोगे 5 बजे? अगर आपका पूरा दिन बिजी है तो आप क्यों नहीं उठ के 5 बजे उठकर थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करोगे, कप चाय आराम से पियोगे, थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करोगे? क्यों नहीं करोगे? आई थिंक सब करेंगे, लेकिन एक सपोर्ट की बात होती है और एक होता है कि जिद. हाउ जिद्दी आर यू अबाउट yourself, right? So I think जो मैंने देखा है और बहुत सारी लेडी से जो मैंने इंटरेक्ट किया, वो बोलते हैं यार टाइम नहीं मिलता, ये नहीं होता. बट आई ऑलवेज से कि यार अपना ध्यान रखने में, and it's not selfish, the word women uses, okay, let's get selfish, selfish होके अपना ध्यान रखेंगे. नहीं यार, selfish होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. अपना ध्यान रखना मतलब selfish होना नहीं होता. पहली बात तो ये है. एंड अगर आप खुद ही अच्छा नहीं फील करोगे, right? If you don't feel good about yourself, and I'm saying whatever your goal is, there is a certain dress you want to wear, there's a certain kind of look you want a 6-pack, you want, whatever you want. I'm sure there is something everybody wants, something, little bit of validation कि लोग भी बोलेंगे मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ, और खुद भी मैं active हूँ, I'm not a sloth, right? तो बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं खुद का ध्यान रखने के लिए, and I feel कि if you're working full time, पूरा दिन अगर आप काम कर रहे हो और घर भी मैनेज कर रहे हो, तो और भी जरूरी है that you look after yourself. And that looking after yourself is not about going out for जस्ट कि मैं वीकेंड पे चिल मार लूंगी, ठीक है, वो तो जरूरी है ही, वो तो दैट वी कॉल दैट रिलैक्सेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट what do you do for your health so that you don't get lifestyle diseases बाद में, blood pressure, thyroid, whatever, right? ये सब नहीं चाहिए, right? ये सब नहीं चाहिए. तो अगर ये सब नहीं चाहिए तो क्या करना है? ठीक से खाना है और एक्सरसाइज करना है. ये दोनों चीजें, आई मीन, हम इतना वो डालते हैं ना प्रेशर, हैप्पी रहना है, हैप्पी रहना है. अरे यार, आई मीन, हैप्पीनेस कोई वो थोड़ी ना है, दैट्स, इट्स नॉट अ स्टेट, इट्स समथिंग यू वर्क फॉर, राइट? तो फिर मेरे, आई मीन, अगर आपकी खुशी सिर्फ आपकी फैमिली में है, फैमिली के लोगों को खुश देखने में है, तो एंड एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर हेल्थ, देन देर इज समथिंग नॉट राइट अबाउट what you want. I feel that.
Correct.
ठीक है. So if everything is coming at the cost of you, then something is not right. Something is not right. So आपके पास मंडे टू फ्राइडे टाइम नहीं है, तो आप सैटरडे संडे को you make sure that you go to the gym, or you get a run, or you go to the gym, or you have a trainer coming home, and I feel like most women who, if they can afford, they should get a good female personal trainer. They should. I mean, I'm not one, so I'm not advocating for myself or anything, but I'm really saying that if you have the capacity to pay, if there's someone really good, get yourself a good coach, get yourself a good personal trainer who can guide you, because every body is so different. खाना बहुत अलग होता है सब लोगों का. कई लोगों का खाना बिल्कुल नॉन वेजिटेरियन होता है, कईयों का वेजिटेरियन होता है. तो somebody needs to understand you if you don't understand yourself, and which is true for so many of us. हमें नहीं पता होता कि हमें कितना पोषण खाना है, कितना वो करना है. So there are so many ways to figure out, but I think वो जिद जरूरी है, और कभी कभी अगर सपोर्ट ना भी हो लेकिन जिद है तो सपोर्ट मिल जाता है.
Correct.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप किसी बात पे अटक जाओगे कि यार मुझे ये करना है, मतलब मेरी फैमिली को मुझे दिन में, कैन यू हियर मी? या सो एज इन मेरी फैमिली को मुझे दिन में 30 मिनट्स देने हैं फॉर माई सेल्फ. इफ यू गेट stuck up about it, I think they will come around. They will come around.
Right.
So the zid is really important, and then the support is really important, but I'm sure the zid can work out the support. So, and about managing, so see, I don't work full time, Sujit. I stopped working full time after both my kids were born. I stopped because mine is a nuclear family, and my parents don't live with me, or my in-laws don't live with me. So I knew everything is on my husband and I. And so I stopped working full time. I do freelance GMAT English classes. I coach students for MBA in India and MBA abroad and applications. So my work is flexible, so I worked it around my everything is worked around my kids' schedule, और इसीलिए मैंने सुबह 4:30 4:45 बजे भागना शुरू किया, because that's the only time I had. But I think women who have the flexibility can really use that flexibility. सर्दियों में I run anytime. दिन में दोपहर को बच्चे स्कूल में होते हैं, मैं भाग लेती हूँ, and so like I said, my priority is my kids. So everything is worked around them, and I manage my running, I manage my fitness. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't run because of my kids, कि अगर कुछ है, I have, sometimes my kids have been unwell and I've still gone for a run, because there is someone to look after them. और मैंने 1 घंटे के लिए जाना है, I have to go for 1.5 hours. तो ऐसा है. There have also been events where my kids have been unwell and I have not gone for the events. So again, there is nothing heroic about all of this. There is nothing, because क्या नहीं करती है, I mean, people do so much, achieve so much. I mean, they leave so much for us to look at and think about, but I think every woman has to, or every family, let me not just put the whole onus on the woman. Every family has to work out a way of doing things. Correct. Whatever works for them, You know, like I said, I don't live with in-laws. My parents are not there. So I took a call. I said, मुझे full time काम नहीं करना है. So, but
Correct.
this whole thing about doing everything, सब कुछ करना है. No.
Somewhere.
And I'm not going to use the word sacrifice. It's not sacrifice. It's what you want. Yes, I'm sure there are women who make sacrifices, but again, वो सोच समझ कर अपनी choice जो जो वो कर सकते हैं वो फिर भी करते हैं, right? So
True.
yeah, so I think it's not the woman, it's the family who has to make things work for everyone, you know.
Basically, it's a decision that every woman has to take. कि I have to keep myself as a priority, at least my health as a priority.
एंड व्हाई नॉट आई मीन मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्वेश्चन आता भी कहाँ से है कि मैं अपना ध्यान ना रखूं. क्या मैं अपना ध्यान क्यों
Correct.
रखूं? क्यों नहीं रखोगे? यू नो, व्हाई नॉट? देयर इज, आई मीन, एंड नाउ you know, you have everything available online. तुम बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो. You can order dumbbells at home, kettlebell at home. You can, what can you not do, yaar? You can use your bedside to work out, right? So
Correct.
people who live in small apartments and all, वो भी तो करते हैं, वो छोटे छोटे घरों में करते ही है ना. So there is no reason not to do it. The only
True.
reason is that you lack the zid, or
Ah,
or you probably don't know what could happen if you didn't look after yourself.
correct. Ma'am, how did yoga start? Yoga में
Uh,
कैसे? Because I see some amazing postures that you do, and it is like, कैसे कर लेते हो?
so yoga started because of my daughter. I was pregnant, I think about 5 months pregnant होंगी मैं. I walked into I had to go for an appointment to the hospital, and जैसे मैं appointment के लिए खड़ी थी बाहर, एक side वाले room में there was this lady who was speaking in Marathi. Speaking in Marathi. I still
Oh,
remember her name was Shubhangi Ambre or something, and she was speaking in Marathi with another two clients who were Marathis, and she
okay.
was making them do yoga. And I was standing there for 5 minutes, and I was mesmerized the way she was making them do prenatal yoga. You know, both of them were pregnant, and I said, you know, I want to learn prenatal yoga. And I was with her for the next whatever months of my pregnancy. I had a normal delivery, and I fell in love with yoga at that time. I don't know where she is right now because she's not in that hospital, but I hold her responsible for making me fall in love with yoga. After my daughter was born, I continued doing yoga. Then I did a short course in Rishikesh in Iyengar Yoga. I went there and stayed there for 15 days. You know, I learned in the ashram, everything. And उसके बाद उसके बाद ups and downs आए, in the sense that I was into proper traditional Hatha Iyengar yoga, and so there were times when I was practicing a lot. There were times I was practicing too less. But when I started running, and when my first injury happened, that's when I again took yoga very seriously. I said, you know, everybody's saying yoga se injury bach sakti hai. Then I started doing yoga very, very seriously again. And if I have to choose between running and yoga, it will be running, hands on, always, you know. But if I have to make a choice after running, it is yoga.
Very
And
good. Very good.
yeah, so I do yoga almost every day, about like 10 to 15 minutes every day, because it's my, again, like I said, I do my back bends, and again, I do them because I think health benefits to hai, but also, you know, the back benefits so much because of
Correct.
yoga. And you know, yoga tames you, to be honest. जो बहुत बिखरा हुआ होता है मन, right? I mean, and I'm not going to blame again the family and, you know, the circumstances, but you know, generally there's so much happening around you always. बहुत बिखरा हुआ होता है. The honest thing is that within 5 to 7 minutes of doing yoga, you are, you know, that ठहराव,
खुद को
that
समेट लेते हो.
हाँ, वो स्थिरता, you know, that ठहराव that automatically binds you in, you know, like takes you in, right? And कभी कभी वो प्रैक्टिस 15 मिनट से 30 मिनट भी हो जाती है, कभी कभी 1 घंटा भी हो जाती है. बट लाइक आई सेड, दैट ठहराव is very nice. It's very soothing. It's very soothing, especially after a day after the long run, you know. Uh,
Yeah.
your body is craving for that era, craving, you know. So
Correct.
yoga happened like that. The journey from prenatal to postnatal to running, yoga has bound me in certain ways.
Right. Because I see you were like you do amazingly those postures. Because I have been practicing yoga with my teacher for say last around 7, 8 months, 9 months now, and I can feel that difference in myself. The mental difference is there, absolutely. Body difference
Hmm.
तो होता ही है, but
Hmm.
mentally also you feel very calm now. योगा करते हो तो अच्छा लगता है एकदम. So that is what it is actually very beneficial, I think.
Yeah, and a lot of people find it very boring, and that's where Instagram really helps because Instagram पे आप इतने contorted poses वे सब देखते हो और फिर आप ट्राई करते रहते हो तो सोशल मीडिया का इन्फ्लुएंस अच्छा है इस मामले में आई वुड से यू नो
करेक्ट, करेक्ट. ऑल्सो मैम, जैसे आपने कहा कि प्रीनेटल आपने योगा स्टार्ट किया, बहुत सारे विमेन को ये है कि एक बार बच्चा हो गया मतलब मेरा जिंदगी अभी मेरा बॉडी शेप बिगड़ गया, अब मैं वापस नॉर्मल शेप में नहीं आ सकती. सो अगेन व्हेन दे लुक एट यू, यू आर लाइक अ गोल फॉर देम कि अगर बच्चा होने के बाद भी अगर ऐसे रहे तो नथिंग लाइक दैट. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू मेंटेन योरसेल्फ? एंड आई वुड लाइक यू टू अगेन गिव अ मैसेज टू ऑल दोस फीमेल्स आउट देयर हु फील कि बच्चा हो गया मतलब अभी मेरा हेल्थ बिगड़ने वाला है.
I actually thought that my life began after my kids. So
अच्छा.
हाँ, I mean I feel like मैंने एक नई जिंदगी शुरू की अपने बच्चों के बाद एंड बिकॉज एक फोकस अलग हो गया लाइफ में फोकस बहुत अच्छा हो गया. उससे पहले कुछ भी बहुत कुछ कर रहे थे, ठीक है, फुल टाइम नौकरी कर रहे थे, ये भी कर रहे थे, वो भी कर रहे थे, बट आई थिंक आफ्टर किड्स एक बिकॉज यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज एवरीथिंग, सो एक फोकस आ गया. बट एनीवेज कमिंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चन which was that how what was the question, the how do you
To
come
get in shape after pregnancy. Health.
या तो मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक्स की थी प्रेगनेंसी के बाद, especially after my second child. I started my routine after 40 days, and I think I should have waited a little. And that's for me, and that's for me. I started my routine after 40 days. So I'll tell you what I did. I started my routine after 40 days. I started doing yoga after 40 days. उससे पहले मैं 40 days मैंने दबाकर खाया, दबाकर घी खाया, गुड़, घी, milk, garlic, whatever was required for good flow of milk, for my own health, for the child's health. मैंने सब कुछ खाया. I did not do any chun chun. सब खाया. And after, on the 40th day itself, I started my yoga practice. After, let's say, 2.5 months, I got a personal trainer at home. And he was a horrible trainer. And that's why I think, sometimes we need to not be in a hurry and get the first person in. I think, and I think that's where I made a mistake because I was not able to explain to that person that I'm still pumping milk for my child, so the workout can't be like this and it can't be like, and he didn't understand this part at all. You know what I mean? So,
Okay.
उसको मैंने 3 हफ्ते में भगा दिया. I said, नो, राइट, और अब मैं जो चूज करूंगी सोच समझ कर ही करूंगी, राइट. सो आई थिंक ये एक चीज होती है. तो सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेबी होने के, आई थिंक अगेन आई हैड अ नॉर्मल डिलीवरी, सो आई वाज बैक इन एक्शन प्रीटी फास्ट. आई मीन 3-4 दिन में आई वाज डूइंग एवरीथिंग, बट आई वाज रेस्टिंग अ लॉट. I think you should eat well, first of all, even to come back in shape, because you have, I mean, I will use the word enormousness. Your body has gone through enormousness, right? इतना स्ट्रेच, आपका कोर इतना स्ट्रेच हुआ है, इतना स्ट्रेच हुआ है, राइट. सो द फोकस should be on core and pelvic floor exercises. You do not need burpees. You do not need, like I said, lunges. No, you need to work on your core and you need to work on your pelvic floor. These two things, women should work on after giving birth. And as far as looking after yourself is concerned, again, Sujit, my point is, why would you let go? Yeah, you will be in your 20s, in your 30s, okay, max somebody in
Right.
their 40s. Why would you let go of your body? Why would you not want to get your body back, right? Because I think the more
Correct.
you spread, the more your weight increases, the more dependent you become on other people. You will need a, you
True.
know, you will need so many people to look after your child, first of all, right? Because now you have to look after the child and you have to look after yourself. दो,
Yeah.
और अगर एक और बेबी है तो तीन, right? I'm not counting the husband because the husband can go take a hike, okay? But I'm saying but you will need to look after yourself for the sake of your kids, अगर तुम्हारे लिए बच्चे बहुत जरूरी हैं, और अपनी हेल्थ अगर अब नहीं करोगे, obesity will happen, again lifestyle disease will happen, and the lifestyle diseases scare the hell out of me because my mom has a thyroid, so I'm
Okay.
worried, I see her, and she has now managed to control it a lot, but I've seen the years that she's gone through with thyroid, and I realize that most of our problems are related to stress and weight gain,
Absolutely.
right? And a lot of women say, यार अब तो 1 साल हो गया, अब तो 2 साल हो गया, अब तो, बट ये पेट तो अंदर जा नहीं रहा है, टमी तो अंदर जा नहीं रहा है, तो यार कोई, अगेन, गेट अ गुड कोच, गेट अ गुड पर्सनल ट्रेनर,
Correct.
गेट समवन टू अंडरस्टैंड योर बॉडी, उसको अपनी रिपोर्ट्स दिखाओ, उसको दिखाओ अपना, गेट योर ब्लड वर्क डन, see all of this, send it to her. If she's good, she will tell you what to do,
Correct.
right? So again, why do you want dependencies, and why do you want to take why do you want to take medicines later on because you have developed lifestyle diseases? So, and mujhe also, I feel like now women have smartened up a lot, yeah. Now kids don't stop them from anything, no.
True. But still ऐसे भी there are few what I'll say pocket of people who are like कि नहीं यार अभी नहीं, अभी तो क्या बच्चा हो गया, अभी हम लोग किधर, अभी अभी किधर, अभी हमारा उम्र निकल गया, we are not in our 20s. I get a lot of people and I tell them कि ऐसा नहीं है, now is the time you have to take care of your health for the baby.
Even
If you
more,
are
even
not
more.
say absolutely. So that's what, तो होते रहता है वो, but ठीक है. Ma'am, you also mentioned about the injury part कि हुआ आपको.
Hmm.
So before you started with yoga, so how to manage injury when you are injured? Because especially during runnings, I speak about this to many runners. कि injury है फिर भी चलो, फिर भी भागो. So what is your take on this?
Yeah, I went through a really bad injury last December. In 2019, I was preparing for the New Delhi marathon, and I was, my coach had given me a beautiful plan. Everything was set, but I was overriding the plan. मतलब अगर उसने मुझे 5:30 का पेस दिया है 14 किलोमीटर के टेम्पो के लिए, तो मैं 5:15 में कर रही थी.
Okay.
अगर उसने मुझे इंटरवल्स 1K के 4:30 भी दिए हैं, तो मैं 4:15 पे कर रही थी. एंड why why was a big question, and but I was very happy, that invincible feeling that I'm the breaking all records. So it was overspeeding, it was overtraining, not the right way of doing things. I learned that time, and sometimes I feel you will be doing everything but your body says, I give up, I'm not ready.
Correct.
So I injury, I realized that a good physio will help you. That's one. Also, listen to your coach. First thing, listen to your coach. If he's made a plan, knowing you, according to you, then listen to your coach. And physiotherapy, and I think mentally it's very difficult during that time, because
Right.
like I said, we run because we love running, right? And कोई हमसे वो running छीन ले at that time, right? And then you're preparing for an event and everything. So I basically, I followed my physio's word after that. He said, don't run. He could not tell me immediately that you will not be able to run NDM anymore, but he told me in bits and parts. He said, go tomorrow for a short walk and see how you feel. So I walked a lot. I depended upon strength training. I depended upon walking. I was told not to run. So I think when you're told not to run, you should not run, because
Correct.
a good doctor will tell you to stop running only when he feels that now if you run, you will ruin it all. You will just ruin it all. So I just basically started doing a lot of strength workouts. And actually the good thing about injury was that I started doing strength workouts मन से. उससे पहले भी मैं स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट्स करती थी, बट रो कर कि यार रनिंग के लिए करना है तो करना है, बिकॉज आई वांट टू स्ट्रेंथन माय लेग्स फॉर रनिंग, तो करना है. But there was no drive. But when I got injured and I started using the TheraBand again, I used to use it long time back, but when I started using the TheraBand again, I started picking up the medicine ball. I started using the Buzo for my leg stability. No, I said, what am I doing यार? ये सब मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं किया जब ये solution है? And why did I not use the solution before? So that was such a good thing to happen to me. उसके बाद I took up strength workouts with a vengeance, with a complete vengeance. Whether it was I sat down on Instagram, on YouTube, I learned about workouts. I did have a choice of hiring a good personal trainer, but this time I said, no, I want to understand what my legs need. My right leg is weak. My right glute is weak. I get IT band on my right leg only. Why? Because there is an imbalance. So how do I work on the imbalance? There was so much to learn about myself because of that injury. अब वो injury नहीं होती तो मेरा NDM बहुत अच्छा हो जाता, and हो सकता है मैं उसके बाद भी injure हो जाती, या अब तब नहीं होती तो बाद में होती. But this was a lesson that had to be learned. I think injury happens when you really need to learn a lesson. I really think so. And for me, it was कि strength training करो, बचो नहीं, भागो नहीं, मन से करो, 20 मिनट करो, वो mind muscle connection बनाकर, be there for it. Make your videos, see what is wrong with what you're doing. I used to squat the wrong way, so I learned how to squat the right way. Today you might say कि अरे ऐसा नहीं लगता बिल्कुल भी, but I have made mistakes like that, right? मेरा left leg ज़्यादा strong है तो मैं right पे कम करती थी. Now I'm leading to that imbalance even more. तो imbalance है left और right में, और मैं उसको बढ़ा रही हूँ by not doing my right leg workout. तो लेफ्ट पे किया, राइट पे नहीं किया. पिस्टल स्क्वाट लेफ्ट पे किया because it's easy, राइट पे नहीं किया because it's tough.
Correct.
So much to learn from every injury.
Absolutely. There's someone who's asked any tips on how to solve IT band pain after running?
IT band pain या IT band?
Yeah.
IT band.
Yeah.
हाँ, so IT band के लिए there are a lot of exercises. You have to follow them. I mean, you have to follow exercises. There are progressions that are there and you have to follow them. Tips तो यही है कि exercises होती हैं और उसको follow करो.
Correct. आप ये जो Wealthy Fit जो आप follow करते हैं, what is it all about?
Wealthy Fit is a blog. It's a website. It's a blog. I'm not blogging these days. I have not blogged in a month's time now. But I started this blog in 2016. And I love writing. मुझे लिखने का बहुत शौक है, और मैं सोचती थी कि मैं इधर उधर लोगों को अपने आर्टिकल्स भेजने से अच्छा मैं अपना खुद का ही ब्लॉग, अपना खुद का ही न्यूज़पेपर छाप देती हूँ और मैं ही उसमें लिखूंगी. And because that time I was running, and I think running makes you think a lot. आप एक लॉन्ग रन पे निकल जाओ, वो जोनिंग आउट तो बाद में होती है, पहले इतने थॉट्स आते हैं. एंड I started writing after running, and I enjoyed writing, and then I started calling more people to write on it. There are a lot of people, and they didn't have to be experts or anything. They can be just, passionate about what they do. And then, they started writing, and, so it's a collection of articles lots of articles on running, lots of articles on motivation, lots of articles on women who were doing nothing much with their lives, but today are running the Boston Marathon in India, from India.
Right.
And so I've also written a few articles on mental health. So it's a lot about my own writing and whatever people want to write about fitness. That's Wealthy Fit. That's my blog. And I hope to get back to it soon.
And you have to, ma'am, because I have already subscribed for that, and I've read couple of articles, and you write amazingly. So don't stop that. It is amazing. Because I have personally read a couple of articles, and I feel it is very good whatever you're writing. So please do it, because it will help a lot of people. And in that, हम realize नहीं करते हैं whom are we touching करके.
Yeah.
किसको हम affect कर रहे हैं, we don't realize that. So please
You know,
continue.
yeah, you know what? Like Instagram, people have so many followers, and so many followers, and I have, I think, about 13,000 odd followers, and I put up my workouts, I put up my blogs, my writings, my random thoughts, my random writings, and all of that, and I feel like, it's not about कि अगर तुम एक को भी motivate करते हो. It's not about that. It's about तुम कितने motivated रहते हो.
Absolutely.
It's not about perfection. It's about showing up कि यार मुझे वो पोस्ट डालकर अच्छा लग रहा है, मैंने कुछ अचीव किया अपने लिए. So, and I think even with Wealthy Fit, I sometimes my articles do so badly, like I think 10 readers भी नहीं आते होंगे कभी कभी. I mean, कुछ articles have just, और वो articles मैंने बहुत मन से लिखे होंगे, and it would have just crashed, like gone with the face down on the ground, right? But I still love those articles because I wrote them, and that's my work, right? So I think there is nothing like being confident about what you do, as long as you're not harming anyone, right? I'm sure वो जो 10 लोगों ने पढ़ा है उसमें से 8 को अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा, शायद 2 को अच्छा लगा होगा.
करेक्ट. बट आपको अच्छा लगा लिख के, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मुझे लिखने का, बोलने का बहुत शौक है.
So finally, ma'am, I would like to ask you, what advice would you like to give, especially for women who want to start with running? How do they start?
आपके फिटनेस लेवल्स क्या हैं इस वक्त? अगर आप एक जनरली एक्टिव लेडी हैं जो मूव करते रहते हैं, बहुत काम करते रहते हैं इधर घूम के, तो आई थिंक आप वॉक एंड रन कर शुरू कर सकते हैं. अगर आप हेवी हैं एंड एक्टिविटी लेवल आपकी लो है, हेवी एंड एक्टिविटी लेवल लो है, तो पहले तो आपको थोड़ा सा वेट लूज करना है, बिकॉज रनिंग ऑन अ ओवरवेट बॉडी will lead to pain in the knees, right? तो थोड़ा सा पहले बॉडी, थोड़ा सा वेट लॉस एंड थोड़ी सी बॉडी स्ट्रेंथनिंग करके फिर रोड पे आइए. एंड दैट कुड ऑल्सो मीन स्टार्ट डूइंग brisk walks, and then I think within a month or 2, when you feel that हाँ मैंने अपना पहली बार लाइफ में कुछ एक्टिविटी शुरू की है और मुझे अब अच्छा लग रहा है, then walk run. And if you are if you have a very small build and you're active, then why not just go and do your first 2 to 3K and see how you feel about it. There is a question, sorry. Yeah, let's just take a few questions. Sonia, please suggest the distance. What is the question? Sujit, can you read it? The distance format.
Suggest the distance format which we should follow from half marathon to full marathon.
Sonia, I'm not a coach. I'm not a running coach. So very hard to answer that, but I think your weekend runs have to be very long, very, very long runs. And again, in a progression, that's what I followed. But I think इसका best answer ना कोई running coach ही दे सकते हैं. I think Sujit is.
How did you, आप अपना बताइए ना मैडम, कि आपने कैसे slowly steadily आपने कैसे आगे किया है? मतलब how did you increase your distance?
I see the first 4-5 years I was running half marathons only. So इतना कोई, and I wanted to run fast and I wanted to get PBs and all of that. उसके बाद थोड़ा ठहराव आ गया क्योंकि things got pretty demanding at home with the kids, and उसके बाद मैंने फिर डिसाइड किया कि मुझे कुछ डिफरेंट करना है, एंड वो डिफरेंट तो रनिंग में फुल मैराथन था, हाफ से फुल. माय कोच गिव मी अ ब्रिलियंट प्लान एंड आई फॉलोड दैट, जिसमें उसने मेरा वीकली 50 to 60 किलोमीटर्स करके, फिर 70, फिर 80, और एक बार शायद 85 या 89 भी था, और फिर धीरे धीरे टेपर. एंड दैट्स इट. आई took a lot of care of my nutrition that time because I'm generally a very small built person. And my metabolism is very high. So I ate a lot, I drank a lot of water. मैंने अपनी डाइट का बहुत ध्यान रखा था उस वक्त. More than my distances, I looked after my diet a lot at that time.
Correct. And I think there is no one size fits for all answer for this जो आपने बताया.
Not at
It is
all.
all depending
Not
upon
at all.
your, yeah.
Yes. अगर आपका
Someone,
कार्डियो अच्छा है. हाँ, sorry. Yeah, there's a
no,
question
no,
which says running on roads is not that great for knees. I know we need to make do with what we have, but was curious to um who is this person? इनका नाम क्या है?
Namrita.
Namrita. Yeah, hi Namrita. So yeah, running on hard surface on roads is actually not good, especially long term. I genuinely feel it's not good because it does lead to pain in the knees and all of that. But again, इसका एक ही आंसर है कि अगर आपके पास सिर्फ सड़क है दौड़ने के लिए, land softly. That's what I've learned. That's what my coach always says. It's it's not how you run that will, but it's how you land. It's how you land that will make a difference. So very soft landing should be, and not hard landing should help you with your knees. And if you have access to a park, even on the weekends, why not? Kacha rasta weekend pe lo. If you have a stadium for the weekends, why not? So, but I think it's all about how you land. That's what I've learned from my last injury.
Perfect. There's a
Smita, at
question from
times,
Smita.
yeah, at times I
Yeah.
feel cramps in the tummy. Can you suggest something for this? Peppermint tea has worked a lot for me. Peppermint tea has worked a lot for me. Also, magnesium. Please take your magnesium. It also helps with cramps. So yeah, these two things have worked for me. Anything
Perfect.
else for heat?
Anything else? Yeah, there was a question before कि if I run in my periods, will it affect my ovaries? There was a
No.
question पहले किसी ने पूछा था.
यार ये इतना डिटेल में मुझे नहीं पता है कि ओवरीज को इफेक्ट करेगा कि नहीं, बट नहीं, रनिंग अच्छा है आपके लिए, इट्स गुड फॉर यू, लेकिन कितना भागना है वो आपको खुद दिमाग लगा के सोचना है. आपको कितना भागना है. आप जनरली अगर हफ्ते में 40-50 या 30-40 किलोमीटर भाग लेते हो और वीकेंड पे आप 15-20 करते हो, तो आप खुद ही देख लो कि आपको कितना करना है. आप हाउ मच डू यू फील योर बॉडी इज रेडी फॉर. और हो सकता है आप 5 किलोमीटर भागने के बाद बोलो नहीं यार मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा और भागने का, तो ठीक है, इट्स ओके, डजंट मैटर. Do your long run the other day. Yeah. What else
What
is
should we eat or drink during long run?
Again, there are people who take natural foods and there are people who take ready-made foods.
Supplements.
So,
Yeah.
so during and after, yeah, before and after. What is it?
During your long run, nutrition क्या लेना है long run के लिए?
So if I am running more than 21, then I take a gel. If I'm running more than 21, then around 20, I'll take a gel. So, and that is only for my training. If I'm just say, abhi aajkal I'm running, I'm not taking anything. Not needed, right? But if you're training for an event, then I would take an energy gel after, let's say 20-21 kilometers. And before the run, I cannot have anything ready-made. So I will have a banana, I will have a bowl of oats, I will have muesli. I also take a peppermint tea. It peps me up. I've just learned in Ayurveda that peppermint tea is very good pre-workout. So I take that also sometimes now. Yeah, these are the things.
One last question, ma'am, from my end. I think it is for all the females. कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? जो काफी होता है आजकल.
कौन है वो लोग? हाँ, कौन है वो लोग? पहले तो get your gun out. कौन है वो लोग? लोग तो कुछ ना कुछ कहेंगे. Even we speak यार. I mean, who are these लोग? We are the लोग, right? Sometimes we also judge people. इतना सब कुछ करके, इतना पॉजिटिव रहकर भी हम भी गलत मलत बोलते हैं लोगों के बारे में. ऐसा नहीं है. But you can't get anything if you think of other people. So stop. I mean, I'm reading this book called Untamed, and उसका जो first page पे है, stop pleasing, start living.
Correct.
अगर वो
Do
लोग
what you
आपको
want.
मैटर यस अगर वो लोग आपको मैटर करते हैं तो उनको बैठ के समझाएं उनको बैठकर. और अगर वो लोग आपको मैटर नहीं करते हैं तो अंधे होकर निकल जाओ वहां से.
That's the best answer that you can give.
Yeah. Who are these people is
How
my
do you
question.
motivate oneself, ma'am?
How to motivate oneself, that is the easiest thing to do. I am always trying to motivate my kids, but I feel that is so hard. Motivating yourself is the easiest thing to do. um I think I am disciplined. मैं मेरे में डिसिप्लिन है. और the other thing is कि I think I think we are so lucky to get up and go run. ये बहुत लकी हैं, कि कोई इतना बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है सिर पे कि सुबह हम भागने भी नहीं जा सकते.
Right.
So it's a privilege, and it's genuinely a privilege to be able to have the time to work out, to do things you love. So if I love running, yes, there are days I don't like to get up and go run, but those are the days I will definitely go and run, because it is such a huge privilege to be able to do what you want to do. I know this for sure. And I think we are wasting our life if we say कि मेरा passion है लेकिन उस passion के लिए मैं motivated नहीं हूँ. Does it make sense?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So if you have a passion, you will do everything to make it happen, right? But if you're looking at it as an obligation, then there are so many Jay Shetty, Gyan, and so much to read, and to constantly keep pushing yourself. But yeah, we need that also sometimes. But I think if you call it your passion, then you will get up and go, lace up and show up.
Perfect. So I think that's it from my end, ma'am. It was amazing to have you on this live, and I think you have answered most of the questions that all the women wanted to know about it. So I would actually thank you very much for joining this live today. And it was
Thank
a
you.
pleasure for me to hear to you. And I hope we can have this connection in the coming months, coming years. Thank you. And keep
Sure.
motivating us through all the work that you do. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Sujit. I love all your videos. I have loved all your running videos. I have laughed sometimes so much on that video you made on running during, working from home and running during COVID. I have just loved your videos. So pure entertainment, lots of knowledge. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Okay.
Take care.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone who joined in. Thank you very much.